Hi, in this video I will show you how to log in to Walmart MasterCard account. So just head over to walmart.capitalone.com and then you should be able to see this. So Walmart actually supports MasterCard through the Capital One provider. So if you already have an account, head over and click on the sign in, and if not, head over and click on set up my account. So click on the sign in right here if you already have one, and then it will prompt you to the login page of this one. So head over and then just wait for it, and you should be able to see this. So if you remember your credentials, just enter in here your username as well as your password, and make sure to tick this remember me option. If you don't actually remember your account or username or password, head over and click on this forgot right there, and then after that, head over and input your last name, social security number, as well as your date of birth. By doing this, you should be able to log into your Walmart account even if you forgot your username or password or credentials or anything that you have. So that's how you log in to Walmart MasterCard account. I hope this video helped you out.